Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use PLP files in Pixellab. First, understand that a PLP file is essentially a complete project backup for your Pixellab designs. It saves every single detail, from your chosen fonts and colors to the exact positioning of every element. This means you can close your project and reopen it later, picking up exactly where you left off, or even share it with others to collaborate on designs. To import a PLP file, open the Pixellab app on your device. Look for the three-dot menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Open, PLP File. This action will open your device's file manager, allowing you to browse and select the specific PLP file you wish to load into Pixellab for editing. After successfully loading your PLP file, you'll find that your entire design is now fully editable within Pixellab. You can tap on any text box to change its content or font, adjust the colors of shapes, or reposition images and stickers. The Layers panel, accessible from the top menu, is your best friend here, allowing you to select, hide, or lock individual elements for precise control over your project. Once you've finished making your edits, it's crucial to save your work. You can save your updated project as a new PLP file, ensuring all your modifications are preserved for future use. Additionally, you'll want to export your final design as an image, choosing from formats like PNG or JPG, depending on your needs. This allows you to share your creation or use it in other applications. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.